So today is a very exciting day. I have received something in the mail. Now you might be asking, what is this that I have received? Well, I'm here to show you today what that is. It is something from Canon. It's an EF mounted lens at 50 millimeters with an f-stop of 1.8. Now this is what the lens will look like, but this is on the outside of the box. So let's dive right in. When we open the box, we are greeted to two flaps that we can pull apart to reveal some warranty information and the instruction manual. But we don't need those. Once we get rid of the compartment on top that houses those, we can uncover that to reveal the bubble wrapped lens. That is pretty much it that is included in the box. So let's get rid of that and jump to the bubble wrap. After I take a sip of my coffee, it's time to immediately jump into the bubble wrap, as I can no longer wait. For right now, we have the lens, but I can just set that aside and get to more important things. And it's gone, just like that. Moving back to the lens, we can see that it is wrapped again, and you can pull it apart from this plastic and then pull it out. And the lens is pretty compact, and it comes with a standard cover on top that hides the lens with some pretty special writing on the top of it that explains to you what the lens is. I have no idea what this writing means, so let me know in the comments below, please. Also, as you can see, it is pretty small, while also coming with some handy dandy features on the side, such as autofocus or manual focus. The cover is 49 millimeters, so if you were going to get a polarizing filter to cover this lens, that is the size you would need. Removing the back cover is pretty standard as what you would see for an EF mount for a Canon product. Nothing new there. If we take off the lens cover, we can see the lens is tucked away between some solid and sturdy siding. And wouldn't you know it, 50 millimeters compacted into this Canon prime lens. Still don't know what this means. This lens will give an actually blurrier background than what you currently see. The build quality of it is overall fantastic and does not feel cheap or gimmicky whatsoever. This is what you'll get with this lens, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for checking out the video.